Hey, Ken Moon from Moonpie Creations. If you want to see me turn this bad boy, or at least attempt to, stay tuned. I'll be right back. Alright, so I gotta cut this down a little bit. This. Alright, so I gotta get that a little bit down. Got a little toy for Christmas. Arbortech mini grinder. So let's see if this works. You get some eye protection on it. I need some gloves. This is kind of fun. Alright, I'm going to stand off the side over here. That is right around 550 RPM. And that's what we're going to go for. Alright, I forgot to push record. Look at that. It's going to be pretty. You know this happened the last time. I smell honey. That is what I'm talking about. Alright, I got a freshly sharpened 1/2-inch gouge. Let's do it. Woo! Alright, here's where we're at. I need to get this out so I can start getting the final bottom of this. I'm going to leave it fairly thick and hope to God it doesn't crack. This thing is going to be beautiful, but I need to get this down. So I'm going to start whittling it down. Alright, so we are done hogging this out. We're going to do something a little bit different, so let me get all set up and then we'll talk about it. Alright, so we're done turning that rough bowl. What we normally do now is we take some of these shavings and we would put them in this big black box, put this giant bowl right here, and put that sumbitch right inside here and then cover it up with the rest of the shavings. But I'm going to try and experiment. I've been watching Carl Jacobson, and he's been doing some stuff with rice. And I know this probably isn't the right bowl to do this with, but I had another idea, and I believe that I can use, hold on. I think we can use this kitty litter to dry this. Normally it's going to take 5 or 6 months inside this stuff. I think it'll take about 3 or 4 months to dry. I think this kitty litter will take it out. We'll see. It may crack it. I don't know, but we're going to give it a shot. Alright, let's get it dumped some in here and then we'll go from there. Sure hope none of my cats get in here. Alright, so I might need to get a little bit more cat litter. I'll get that tomorrow, but I think this is going to be good for now. Alright, we're going to come back and see this one in 6 months. I'll check you later. It's terrifying. That made the whole leg go. Damn. Right up under my face mask. Ah! Look at this. Right up under my face mask in there.